Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to append wavy color to text, this time by image in Swift. So technically we use UIColor and UIImage, and we actually sets one text color to be same as a picture. So let's start our project. So let me first of all close this one. I need to go to Xcode and close this project. Yeah, it says one task is open. Actually, this is the output of our today project. So I'm going to stop this one and close this project. Sorry, not this one. Yes, so we have that one closed already. Okay, so I said file, new project, and I say single view app, iOS, Swift, textColor, UIImage, and create as exists, replace it. Yes, please go and replace it. And I jump to main storyboard as usual. So one label, I add one label here. So this label, for example, I say text color by image. Yeah, and I make it as big as possible. Yeah, and I make it center. And I'm gonna say okay, Command C, Command V, one here, and Command V, one more here. So this one, I make all of them. I select all of them with Control. Then first of all, I need to add constraints for width and the height to be fixed as it is. Okay. Then I select all of them and I say align them for me vertically. Okay, this one I'm gonna say align it, sorry, actually horizontally, and this time vertically. Okay, then I can add just control from here to here and say vertical spacing, but for this one I would like to use add missing constraint. Okay, so it's choose the top, but that's what usually I do. I prefer to choose the this one. Yeah, let me see if I can. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna remove this and I do it manually myself. So I say okay, vertically. You may say why? Because I align this one center. So if my device goes to landscape situation, then still all these trees stay in the middle. I will show you when we done the project. Okay, so let's start our coding. It's pretty easy, pretty simple today. We just have some picture ready, as kind of colorful picture you like. I made these ones and I copy them in my assets directory, and I'll show you, and also you can see size of them, that it's not too big and too small. So we have these different colors, so I copy one of them. Oops, sorry. Command Z. Okay, I'm going to copy. Control C. Okay, Command C. Okay, so I'll come here. It's pretty easy. You will see. Just first of all, so also I missed to connect these ones. These text to my VI controller, then with program I can control them. Okay, so I'm gonna say okay, control drag here, then I say label view 01, this one label view 02, and this one label view 03. Okay, so let's close this assistant editor and jump to view controller. Okay, now I have something to call, so I say okay, label view 01 dots. Okay, so dot textColor should be equal with UIColor. Okay, and here I have some point I can give it different kind of picture, so I say, oh, I see this is new. I'm not sure if I can assign this. Let's try. Yeah. And close this. Shouldn't accept this. Yes. Okay, so let's go and use something that I already previously tested out. So okay, so I choose patternImage, and here I need one UIImage. So I say image, and I come on top and I say image equal UIImage UIImage, and I say, yeah, name by string. So here I copy that my picture name. Okay, so this is for let me say image 1, and this one image 1. Okay, so I command C. Okay, so for image 2 I use color S2, and this one image 2, and for image 3 use color S3 and image 3. Okay, so let's run the project, and here failed. Something wrong. What is the fail reason? Yeah, here. Yes, I forgot to say let here. I need to first declare this image. Okay, now I'm going to run it. Okay, these ones I need to wrap it, so I can use question mark here, or I can use guard. I prefer to use guard, so I say guard. If you could find this picture and do it, okay, otherwise else return. Okay, so this one should go, and but for for this one I'm going to use question mark, and for this one exclamation mark. Let's see. Different ways, so question mark is not good enough. Finally we have to add exclamation image. So you see, I can use this, or I can use guard. Preferably guard would be. Okay, so let's run it before this construction getting started. Okay, so yes, let's see what's going on. Yes, we can see our image. This one there is something wrong. Image 2 image 2, image 3, image 3. So yeah, I use color 2 and 3. I don't know why it's not. Okay, and yes, I think this, let's use guard for this one. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong. This one listen to what they offer us. Yes, image unwrapped. Okay, so here also I say color full 03S, capital S. Yeah, let's see how gonna be right now. Image 3. Yeah, you know what? Yes, this one. I forgot to choose other view controllers. That's why. So there were nothing wrong with exclamation mark. Okay, so I'm gonna start running the game. I used this try and error to show you how we can step by step fix our situation. Yeah, you will see here that's how this color sitting on our image. So that's it. This is for our today's video. I hope you like this and enjoy. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And any question or comment, please. And you can find source code of this project and comment as well. I wish the best. Have a good one.